Guys, so last episode we covered basic variables and we also covered how to make a very basic hello world function. In this episode we're going to be covering how to make basic if statements, and we're also going to be covering a basic age system that will basically tell you if someone is above 18 and able to marry or not. So let's just go right ahead and start. So we're going to create a variable called age. You should know what a variable is at this point. We covered it last episode, and we're going to be covering it in every single episode from here on out. So you probably want to go back and watch the last episode if you haven't already. I'm not telling you what to do. Be my guest, but good luck. So if age is above or equal to 18, then print you are over 18. So if this is true, then it'll do this. If this, then that. And then this is just to close it. So if age is over 18, if the age is over 18, then we'll do this. If it is not, then we're going to run something called else. Print you are not over 18. So if you're not over 18, it'll print you are not over 18. If you are over 18, it'll print you are over 18. Very simple, very easy. Now we're going to code something a little bit more drastic, a little bit more difficult. We're going to code an age system with a want to marry variable, 2 names, and an age. So we're going to create another variable just called age. We're going to create 2 names, Dylan and Emma, sure. And then we're going to create want to marry 2. So if age is over or equal to 18 and they want to marry, this means and, by the way. This means and this means or. You can also just do straight up and, or you can do straight up or. But I prefer to use the syntax version instead of just the text, because the text is a little bit, cluttery, and I just don't prefer it. And they want to marry, then they can marry. They can marry. Else if, so if that is not true, then we're going to run another if statement before running our else. Even if this is not true, our else will not run if this is true. So age is over or equal to 16 and they want to marry, then they can marry with permission. Okay. Otherwise, you can print they just cannot marry. This is a very basic implementation. If the age is over 18 and they want to marry, then they can marry. If the age is over or equal to 16 and they want to marry, they can marry. And it's very, very simple. Now, of course, I could add the names. I'm not actually going to add the names. I don't know quite why I was thinking I was going to add them, but if you want, you can add the names to this. I actually recommend you do some testing by yourself and do some testing to get kind of just a general grasp of things maybe I haven't taught you well or haven't taught you enough. I recommend you go back and watch the variable video if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you for watching.